You are watching Serial Killers Documentary YouTube channel. Our today's crime story is from Fursatganj, a small town of Utter Pardesh, India. This is a story about a murderer who was killing people in dark nights in the name of his mental peace, and for sound sleep. There are murderers, and then there are psychopaths who are not just murdering people, but getting sadistic pleasure out of it. Yes, some of these horrific stories will just make you lose faith in humanity and make you live in sheer fear. A fear of killing was spreading in a small town of Uttar Pradesh. Fursatganj is the small town in Uttar Pradesh, known for its quiet incident-free atmosphere. Residents of Fursatganj, a small town in northern India and scene of a string of mystery killings of middle-aged men, are wondering whether they can now sleep easy. The fear was spreading among the residents of the peaceful town. People are avoiding to get out of their home. This panicked the law enforcement agencies. However, the peace and quiet of this sleepy place was rattled by a string of murders in which the victims were almost always over 45 years old. It was December 2004, when police, after extensive research and a thorough manhunt, nabbed. This was an unexpected crime from a person who seems to be normal apparently. The arrest of 57-year-old, cloth merchant, Sadashiv Sahu, who turns serial killer for sound sleep, a local cloth merchant, who has confessed to killing 22 men living in this town in the state of Uttar Pradesh over the past 4 years. This was a shocking news for Sadashiv Sahu's neighbors. His neighbors remember Sadashiv Sahu as a quiet individual. He was a middle-aged cloth merchant, who rarely spoke to neighbors and was found usually reading religious books. During questioning, Sadashiv told the policeman that he always had a strange urge to kill people. Always the victim was a man above 45 years of age. "I don't know what came over me. I was overpowered by a strange urge to kill my prey," he said in his confession. He also added that after committing a murder he would return home and have sound sleep. Sadashiv Sahu committed his first killing in April 2002. He allegedly claimed his last victim, a 60-year-old man, in November. Mr. Sahu has admitted to the serial killings of men, who were all over 45 years old. His modus operandi was to shoot his victims with the gun pressed against their chests to muffle the noise. Sadashiv Sahu killed 22 people in 4 years. He was arrested in December 2004. Now Sadashiv Sahu is in police custody. This was the end of fear in the town. Kindly don't forget to subscribe and like our channel for more crime stories from across the globe. Thank you for watching this video.